Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and today I'm going to do a little unboxing. I did a bit of shopping this Black Friday, or actually Cyber Monday more. As you can see, I've already opened this. It's some filament from Color Fab, first time I try it. And they had some really good discounts, 25% off if I'm correct. So I got a bunch of filaments. I also have a few parts for my 3D printer on order. I have to change up a few things. Hopefully those will show up in the next few days, and I'll start printing again. I haven't printed in a while, so I have a few projects in standstill because of that. And there's two more packages here that I'm gonna open with you. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this one is not all that exciting. It's from Horizon Hobby. It's just one small but important part for my planes. Let's get this out of the way. All this box for this one prop. This is for the Night Timber X. If you saw my video, I crashed it into my car and chipped the prop. So this is the replacement. Okay, and this is an important one. Something completely new for me. And it isn't time for this, as I already have way too many unfinished projects. Yep, let's see. This one is from Lindinger in Austria. I got this easy code from Deluxe Materials. It's basically finishing protection for planes. Have to see how good it works. I did use their foam armor on my UMX floats, and that worked really well, as I can tell. Okay, put some other small things here. Some glue, some battery connectors, actually charging leads, and I'm really excited about these. These are some multi-connectors. I got these for the Night Timber X also. Basically what I'm hoping to do with these, I'm not 100% sure how they work, but I'll try to connect all the wires on each wing, so I have just 2 connectors to plug in instead of 8. That plane has a lot of connectors. Okay, and I also have this, a folding prop, and this is what it will go on. It's a Grapner PEP. It's a small glider, 1 meter wingspan. And what's really different about this, it's a balsa plane. First ever balsa plane. Let's see what's inside. And the reason why I got this is when I saw online, you don't need to cover it. This one has a bunch of manuals here. That's pretty good. And decal sheet. And oh my god, this is really lightweight. It's the first time I ever hold balsa pieces. I think all the other planes that had small wooden parts before, and they were regular plywood. Looks like these are the wing tips. horizontal stabilizer. Oh yeah. This looks like the wing. I guess these go here. Wow, this is gonna be a really interesting project for me. Not that good at building. All various small parts. Need some screws, control horns, that's only one, motor mounts. Oh, I even get a sanding block. That's cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep this short. I hope I have time to build it soon, and I hope I'll be able to make a short video of the assembly. Really excited. I really enjoy this type of plane. It's 3-channel because it doesn't have a rudder from what I see. Just the elevator and the ailerons and the motor, of course. It's a powered glider. So let me know what you think about this, if you have or had one. Also, any tips on building. I'll be sure to check out a bunch of videos before I even try to get started with this, because it's something completely new to me. Yeah, so this is my Black Friday shopping for myself. Actually, there is one more package. I'm expecting some batteries from CNHL. They should also arrive in the next few days. Okay. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave some great comments. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!